Hey guys, it's Bigster here, playing 3 games today. This is the first one, it's called Digestive Moose. I think you gotta catch them. Yeah, you gotta. That's not good. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I got a new high score. Guess what? It's 1. Yeah, I'm gonna play again. I better win. Should I suck at this? I suck. Shut up, you stupid shortcut. Catch the apple. Catch the apple. Catch the carrot. Catch the apple. Catch it. No, 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 no. Oh, poop. I don't want to do that. Yay, I got 3, but I suck at this still. Freaking always want these freaking ads. I hate that. I don't know, just go back up there. Oh my god, I suck at this. Fuck. Shit. I suck. Come on, let's do this. We can do it this time. Beat the high score. Come on, you can beat the high score. Yeah. Dang it. Freaking mushrooms. Stupid ads. Really? Freaking suck. Oh my god. I suck at this. I need a fucking shit. Okay. Come on. Catch. Yeah. No. Crap. Okay. I gotta get 5. Once I get a 5. Freaking ads. I hate ads. Get back. Apple. Dang it. Carrot. What? Freaking sucks. I gotta get to 5. If I don't get to 5, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Becky, look at these nuts, Gotti. Oh my god. I freaking suck at this. Back up. Freaking ads. I hate how they get in my way. Oh my god. I'm just gonna kill myself. Gonna kill myself. Come on. Carrot. Yeah. Apple. Yeah. Mushroom. No. Apple. Come on. Yes. I got the 5 like I wanted to. And I died. Well, that's the first game, and I get to the high score I wanted to. I freaking suck at this game, but I got to what I wanted to. Okay, next game. Yeah, you like my wallpaper. Anyways. Please run PewDiePie, if you guys know PewDiePie. As always, Pigster. Bro fist, baby. Okay, there we go. Tap and hold, jump. Dang it. Here we go. Two, three, four. What? I can't get past three. Come on, I can do it. Girl. 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 Well, yeah. Gotta get higher than 14. Let's do this. Boom. 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 Dang it. Okay. Go. Let's get to 100. Well, 4 is close to 100, isn't it? Yes, I know how to count. 4, 12, 5, 7, 21. I fucking suck at this right now. Okay, this last try. Never mind. We need one more try. Okay, well, I beat my own high score. I beat 14. Nice. Okay, so, well, I've heard this is really weird game. So, I'm gonna try it. You know, I like trying weird games. It's my thing. Oh, crap. No. No, no, you. No, no. He. No, no. Slap. Touch your booty. I want to touch your booty. Touch your booty. Yeah. Right, pretty loose. Shut up. No. He's your poison. No, not buying it. Ermagerd. Yes, she does. Bitch. I don't fucking know what to say. Oh shit. And I've really learned that on this game there's a stalker. And if you look into Angela's eyes, you can see somebody. But I don't know if it's still there. Last time I looked, it was true. You won. I think if I... Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. They must update it to where it doesn't. Why the fuck do I keep doing that? But it used it. You'd see a person in her eyes. Hell no. I'm just kidding. I want to slap you. That's what I want to do. Booty. Booty. Shut the fuck up. There you go. Okay, well, that's gonna be the end of the video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.